We are reporting just outside the Bhangar police station where the family members of the arrested accused are present over here. Let's speak to them as to what they have to say and what's their side. क्या हुआ है, किसको अरेस्ट किया है और आप यहाँ पर क्यों आए हैं?
बोला ये इसमें नहीं था बट फिर भी इसको पकड़ा है रात को।
तो कहाँ से, घर से उठा कर ले गए उनको? घर पे थे वो?
घर तोड़ के दरवाजा तोड़ के लेके चले गए।
आपके भी परिवार से किसी को?
मेरा हस्बैंड
को ले गए हैं। क्यों ले गए उनको?
पता नहीं।
हाँ, तो आपके हस्बैंड थे वहाँ पे तब? कहाँ पे थे तब वो?
घर में थी।
आपके साथ घर पे थे?
हाँ, मेरे साथ घर में थी।
दोपहर कितनी कब की बात है ये? घर पे कब थे वो?
2 बजे।
2 बजे घर पे थे। हाँ, फिर क्या हुआ?
फिर सारा दिन घर में ही थी। तो रात जब हुआ, रात में पुलिस जाके मेरा हस्बैंड का घर दरवाजा तोड़ के मेरा हस्बैंड का सीन कर ले चली आई है।
तो अभी अंदर ही है वो?
हाँ।
अच्छा, क्या बोल रहे हैं वो? क्यों उठाया है, कुछ
पता नहीं, कुछ नहीं बोल रहे।
आपको, आपसे कुछ बातचीत हुई, कुछ बोला, एफआईआर बताया आपको?
नो।
तो और वो वहाँ पर नहीं थे जब वायलेंस हुआ था? घर पे आपके साथ?
हाँ हाँ।
आईएसएफ में है वो? आईएसएफ के मेंबर हैं आपके हस्बैंड जो है वो? इंडियन सेक्युलर फ्रंट के मेंबर हैं? ओके, सो दीज आर द फैमिली members of those who have been arrested here at the Bhangar police station, and they have been in fact claiming that their family members were not present on the spot, but the police have arrested them without any proof.
Well, let me go across to my colleague Tejshri. Tejshri, tell us about the situation that currently prevails in Bhangar.
Well, yes, the situation remains to be tensed in Bhangar. In fact, we were reporting there where this Bhangar area falls under South 24 Pragnas district, and in fact, remember that the violence broke out yesterday late afternoon, and in fact, clashes erupted between the ISF protesters and the West Bengal police as well. So, ISF protesters wanted to move towards the Selda area, and in fact, the police stopped them. They were placing barricades. However, the protesters denied to stop over there. They wanted to move towards Selda to participate in the protest. The protest call was given by the ISF chief himself. That is why they wanted to move. But then the clashes, the arguments turned into clashes, and then it became violent. And post that, what we got to know is that one policeman, along with 5 police motorcycles, they were torched, and more than 16 police personnel are injured in this entire incident. Not just that, but many of them are also hospitalized. Also, we are getting to know is that accused have been arrested by the West Bengal police, and they are currently at Bhangar police station itself. But yes, important to note is that the violence was, in fact, the intensity of violence was very high, because we reported from the spot on ground where the violence had hit, and in fact, people are also very scared as of now. That particular area of Bhangar remains to be a very sensitive area, and in fact, we also spoke to the eyewitness who narrated that how there was a mob of 3 to 400 individuals, in fact, who was trying to move towards Shelda. However, they were stopped over there at the Basanti highway, and they were not allowed to move. They were asked to go back because